IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Did you enjoy reading when you were a child? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I enjoyed reading when I was a child because it was interesting and helped me learn new things. I usually read storybooks and sometimes comics. It was a good activity for passing time.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Ideas are basic and repetitive, with limited development. Lexical resource. Simple vocabulary with noticeable repetition, e.g. enjoyed, good, interesting. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, limited range. Pronunciation. Generally understandable but may include hesitation. Typical of a Band 5. Short answers, basic ideas, little detail, safe but dull. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I definitely enjoyed reading as a child, especially adventure stories and fantasy novels. Reading allowed me to escape into different worlds, and it also helped improve my imagination and vocabulary. I think it played a big role in developing my interest in learning.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Clear progression of ideas with logical expansion. Lexical resource. Good range of topic-related vocabulary. Escape imagination, develop. Grammar. Uses a mix of simple and complex sentence structures accurately. Pronunciation. Clear and natural with minor lapses. Typical of a Band 7.5. Well-developed ideas, natural language, and confident delivery. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, I absolutely loved reading as a child, particularly novels that involved mystery or fantasy. Books gave me a sense of curiosity and independence, and I often spent hours reading without noticing the time pass. Looking back, I think that habit shaped both my language skills and my critical thinking.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Clear progression of ideas with logical expansion. Lexical resource. Good range of topic-related vocabulary. Escape imagination, develop. Grammar. Uses a mix of simple and complex sentence structures accurately. Pronunciation. Clear and natural with minor lapses. Typical of a Band 7.5. Well-developed ideas, natural language, and confident delivery. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.